Position yourself at the forefront of the digital revolution with the spectacular WeSendit 50 million WSI airdrop. We'll show you how to participate in our spectacular airdrop. Option 1. Imagine you're like Max.
He must be one of the first 10,000 to have a WeSendit Web3 Basic, Pro or Business account.
For Max, it all started with an active Web3 account. If you don't have the means to acquire a WSI paid Web3 account like Max, you can still qualify for the 50 million reward pool. All you need is just 3 referrals to be included in our whitelist. The brilliant twist? Through his recommendations, accompanied by his friends' active subscriptions, Max earns additional rewards. If we do not reach the goal of 10,000 active Web3 accounts by December 31st, 2024, the 50 million tokens will be burned. After this first snapshot, a 6-month countdown begins, during which you have the opportunity to expand your referrals. This allows you to generate more monthly recurring WSI and increase your share of the 50 million pool with each referral. After these 6 months, the competition concludes with the second snapshot, initiating the evaluation. Followed by the distribution of our 50 million WSI reward pool, which is subject to a 6-month vesting period. It is crucial that your Web3 account remains active during the vesting period. We wish you much success and send you the very best greetings from the Swiss Crypto Valley.